Alright, what's going on? So this is gonna be a Bitcoin video, and this is my view of what's going on. So basically, Bitcoin got up to 7,500 yesterday, and before that crazy bull run, everybody was saying, "Oh, it's gonna be hard to get past the 6,000 range. It's gonna be super crazy resistance, and then we'll probably get to like 6,400 and drop." And so they're choosing very conservative estimations, and what they're really leaving out is there is a ton of money out there, and anybody that has a lot of money knows that Bitcoin is the world's greatest store of value. So what that means is, like, if you have money and you want to store it somewhere and you want to just hold it and wait for it to go up, Bitcoin is the best choice because it's so easy to buy, and it's the most secure thing in the world. So and the big dogs, they're all trading over the counter. They're not officially doing all the over the exchanges. So and you got Fidelity coming out here very soon back. The New York Stock Exchange owners are starting their own exchange here. They don't need the ETF and all that crap, because we got up to 20,000 without the ETF. So what they need is just make it easier to buy it, basically. So they need more awareness, which is happening. The Samsung phone has crypto storage, and the Google HTC phone is just coming out. It's going to have crypto storage. And so what really is happening is Bitcoin is becoming like the greatest investment on the planet. So whether you like it or not, I mean, there's satellites being built right now that, just in case internet goes out, that's the only way you can stop it, is if internet just stops, which is very hard to do. So if internet does go up, they have satellites now that have the Bitcoin network on it, so you can access your funds through the satellite. You just have to buy this little mini satellite, so you can connect to it. So just think about that for a little bit, that infrastructure, and that's for the Bitcoin network only. And so that's a really big deal. And then Starbucks is going to get onto it. So whenever I hear these predictions, oh, it might get up to 6 or 4,000 or whatever, it's so cheap right now. Like, it's like 80% off. That I just assume that it's just gonna blow up even more, and pretty much for the next 3 years, it's gonna be going up. So all you have to do is just buy some of it, get it in cold storage, and just hold on to it. That's it. Just keep it simple. So don't pay attention to the news. None of that crap matters. Look at the charts. On the monthly chart, it's just starting to go up on the monthly. So that's, if it changes monthly, that's a very strong sign. Like it hourly goes, but monthly is like very slow, and it just started trending up. So right now, on the RSI, is the best time to buy, and that's my take. So I wouldn't be surprised if it gets up to $30,000 in the next 30 days. Here's a bit more trading advice on which coins to buy, on which coins you should buy. So whenever Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin Cash always goes up. So, and it goes up a lot. And so Bitcoin Cash is BCH. So another thing is, if you look at Bitcoin, you always look at the past. If you look at Bitcoin Cash, it hasn't doubled yet since its bull market just started as well. Every coin has their own bull market. So when the 200 moving average passes, when the 50-day passes the 200, when they have that cross, it's called the golden cross. That's when the bull market starts. And then when they do the opposite, like when they cross again, then the bear market starts. So the bull market just started, right? And so Bitcoin Cash hasn't doubled yet. Because you look at the past, it's so cheap right now that it still has room to double, because Litecoin always leads the markets. And so you just kind of look at Litecoin, see what that's doing, and that's pretty much what all the other coins are going to do. So like Litecoin doubled right away, And so Bitcoin Cash hasn't doubled yet. So there's a lot of growth still. So that's why I would invest in Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin. So I'd put more money in Bitcoin, obviously, if long term, hold out for 3 years. But Bitcoin Cash is just an easy money maker. By percentage, it goes up a lot, and you don't have to worry about. They have a lot of infrastructure too. I mean, they own Bitcoin.com. So that's those are my 2 coins that I would invest in. Because that would be the easiest money. Now, if you're like crazy into trading and you want to take huge risks and look at CoinMarketCap and click the little 7-day thing, and you can see all the coins that are about to blow up, and you want to run a risk at some new coin that doesn't have any really history, but you can make 4,000 or 5,000. Some coins are going up 4,000 or 5,000 in a week. It's just they're really high risk. They'll blow up and then they'll just shot down. So, but if you're good, you got experience, then use CoinMarketCap and look at that 7-day like percentage going up the last like week, and everything, all the percentage stuff is all on CoinMarketCap.com. Awesome. But yeah, I mean, but if you're more conservative, I keep things simple. Whenever Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin Cash goes up, but Bitcoin Cash just goes up more. So like Bitcoin went up like 10-15%, Bitcoin Cash will go up like 25-33%. So there's some and Bitcoin Cash is always like, they're always for a coin that's money. They're not really for like Ethereum is more of like a platform. So if you're looking about like money, like Litecoin is all about money. They're not really a platform. So they're more of the silver, Litecoin is. Whereas Bitcoin Cash is basically trying to be like Bitcoin, but a lot faster and better far in that way. Less transaction fees, but they're still trying to be a currency. There's the keyword. So that's my take on it. And another really good coin that I'm still gonna believe in is Cardano. ADA is there, because they have the best team. Just a ton of scientists. They're like the Google of cryptocurrency is ADA, Cardano.